Hello, and welcome to Dynabuddy. This video will show you how to play along with the videos called Power Up. Power Up videos are technical exercises that are designed to help you improve different aspects of your playing, like facility, articulation, breath control, etc. Make sure you have your instrument set up and ready to play, and the volume turned up on your device before you start the video. When you press play, you'll see the instructions, follow the notes and play along. Each power-up video is one long exercise made up of patterns. We recommend pausing the video to look at the pattern before you start playing. You want to be familiar enough with the notes and the rhythms so that you're able to focus on the main point of the exercise, like articulation in this video. You might need to play along with the video a few times or once a day for several days before you feel like you can really focus on your technique. One unusual thing about power-up videos is that sometimes they use notes that you may not have learned in band class. That's because we wanted to use notes that work best for your instrument, but are not necessarily the best for the whole ensemble. So pause the video whenever you need to look up new fingerings in your fingering chart. Later, when you encounter these notes in band class, you'll be ahead of the game. Keep watching until the end of the video so that you can give yourself a score. Think about how your notes sounded compared to what you heard in the video. If you scored a 1, go back to the beginning and try again. Learning music takes a lot of practice. Happy practicing!